Hi, welcome to Get Veganized. I'm Chef Bugsy, and today we're going to make a spicy hot peanut sauce for my tofu. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we're going to add today to the hot spicy peanut sauce is 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Next we'll add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. To this I'll add a 1/4 cup of honey. Now for the heat, we'll add a 1/4 cup of sriracha. And finally, we'll add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Now we're going to stir up the sauce until everything's combined. To make the tofu for today's recipe, I've cut up a block in half and I'm going to cube it. Now we're going to toss this into a Ziploc bag and shake it around with some cornstarch. There we go. Cornstarch in the bag. I'm shaking it around so it's coated. And then I'm going to toss it in my air fryer. That looks about right. This is my air fryer basket. I'll dump it in here in a single layer. Cook it at 370 for 10 minutes. Okay, the tofu is done. And now we're going to dump it in the sauce. Now we want to coat the tofu in the sauce with the sauce. Okay. We're going to let it sit for a minute until the wok gets nice and hot. And then we're going to dump it in, cook it up, and serve it. Okay, here we are. My wok is nice and warm. Here comes the sauce and the tofu. We want to cook it about 5 or 10 minutes until it gets thick, and then I'll plate it up, show you the finished product. Here's the finished product. Doesn't it look delicious? I put it over a bed of brown rice with some stir-fried veggies. Let's give it a taste. The creaminess of the peanut butter. And the heat from the sriracha really set this dish off. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know where you're coming from. Also, let me know if you want to see something. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.